She's a Mona Lisa.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a really exciting collaboration to share with you guys. I'm actually working with Honest Beauty. I've heard of their makeup products before. I've seen YouTubers do reviews of them on the platform, so I'm super excited to have the chance to try them for myself. So shout out to Honest Beauty for working with me. So they sent me the products in here. I'm just gonna use my eyebrow scissors. Don't recommend it, but this is my thing that I had in my room. So this is actually my first time trying Honest Beauty. And what I love about the brand is that they're actually cruelty-free, clean beauty. Give me one second, I can't concentrate and unbox at the same time. Okay, it's open. This is a 2-in-1 dual-ended mascara and lash primer, and they work together to boost lashes length, volume, and definition. Hopefully we can see if we got any of that going on, because I need all of the above. The lash primer creates an even base and enhances the mascara's lash lengthening performance. And then you're supposed to wait 30 seconds in between applying a primer, letting it dry, and then applying a mascara to ensure maximum lash lift and volume. I'm just using a random lash curler. Okay, so I think this is the best I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna use a primer first. Oh, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and put this onto my lashes. First off the bat, I noticed that this primer is a lot lighter than my other lash primers that I'm used to using. The other ones, it kind of comes off as clumps sometimes, and it's very visible when it's on my brush. This is how the brush looks like. And there's product on this. I'm gonna go back in and get a little bit more product. Now I got a lash primer on both my lower and upper lashes, and now we're gonna look on a viewfinder and wait approximately 30 seconds before applying the actual mascara. Just gonna scroll down TikTok because it's a problem.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's not.
Next up, we're gonna go in with the mascara. Usually I don't necessarily like mascaras with brush heads like this because I find that it doesn't catch on to as much product, but I do like how it's shorter because it seems like that way it'll actually get to the base of my lashes. Okay, let's see how it applies.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the.
So I've applied a second coat on this one, and that's still my first coat. Honestly, considering how my lashes usually perform with mascara on them, this is pretty good. I'm just gonna go back and apply a second coat on both my eyes. You guys see that? I really like how it turned out on this eye. You can really see how it separated each of my lashes. It actually almost looks like false eyelashes. Okay, I think I'm gonna go back and apply a third coat. Hopefully I don't mess this all up. Okay, so this is my eyes with approximately 3 layers of mascara on my top lashes and 2 on my bottom lashes. I have to say that my favorite part about this mascara is definitely the mascara wand itself. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it, but I find that because the bristles are a little bit shorter, it actually helps in terms of getting your mascara onto the base of your lash and really extending that onto the ends of your lashes. The difference in terms of opening up your eyes, because even without tight lining right now, it kind of creates a tight line effect. Actually thoroughly surprised by how well this worked. I wasn't completely sure. Honestly, using Honest Beauty has really opened up my eyes that clean beauty products can also work just as well as any other products. This side of my lashes tend to not curl as well as this eye for some reason. I'm not really sure why. It's always been the case, but the fact that you can see like a couple lashes that are still curled up is pretty impressive. And this was after 3 coats, and usually at that point my lashes become too heavy to the point where they just drip down. I'll be linking a product below, so if you guys are interested in trying Honest Beauty for yourselves, make sure to click on the link in the description bar. And if you guys are more of the type of person who likes to get your hands on a product before purchasing it online, you can definitely go to your local Target, Walgreens, or even just get it off of Amazon. Thanks again for tuning into my YouTube channel. I know I don't post on the most regular basis. If you guys have any suggestions on types of videos that you would like to watch on my channel, make sure you leave that in the comments below. press the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, click the bell icon to get notified every single time I post, which might not be too often, but just click it anyways. And follow me on Instagram at mayfacella. Follow me on TikTok at mayfacella, and stay tuned.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.